It's the Glam Princess. And y'all, today we are going to do what? We are going to glamify a DIY. That's what I'm, hey, glamify a DIY. Girl, I should have been a rapper. But anyway, we are going to get right into this DIY, y'all. We are going to use these boxes that I got from Dollar Tree, and I painted them silver. We are going to use this mirrored tile, and I got this tile, of course, from dotflower.com. Where else would I get it from, y'all? I got this tile also, this beautiful tile from dotflower.com, and we are going to use 4 of these cute little candle holders, and we are going to use these candles I got from Dollar Tree. These came from Amazon, y'all. I bought them by the bulk. So we're going to use our glue gun and glue sticks, and this is going to be a pretty simple DIY. So what we're going to do, y'all, is move all our stuff out the way. All they know is, and we are going to take these. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn our mirrors upside down. And we are going to glue the boxes onto the these mirrors. So check out the candle holder. It's pretty long. Y'all, I know it isn't perfect. I see the imperfections, and I know you all do too, but when you all create this, if you want to recreate this, then y'all can do what y'all need to do to make it look better. I'm in a rush, y'all. But anyway, I hope y'all like the idea of what you see. And if you do, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs.
Thought I knew the red and it flipped. How many times did I ask about this? Oh God, why you let me find it like this? Oh God, you still ain't got a part.